this is how we Jai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You see I have a big box in front of me. I can cover in all my frame of camera so far. It's a big box. I have bought some wall decoration. It's a plastic sort of paper to put in the wall. You already have known what it is, so that's why you're here. So I'm gonna unbox directly this one without showing the box. It's a big box. It's a slim one but heavy. Minimum 8 kilo something as this, 8 to 10 kilo something as this. It came from, if I'm not sure, from Germany or Netherlands somewhere to Spain. And let's see, we'll open and we'll see how it is and what we have inside, and I will show you how it will look in the walls. I'm gonna cut this pack from this side. Here we go. Perfect. And I will take out what I have inside. This is wall decoration paper 3D. Wow, this is, you can see some paperwork we have. I put one side, and let's see, I bought 20 or 10, I don't remember exactly. I paid 84 euro in this. That could be $100. Let me take out for you guys to show you exactly. Okay, take out one. They are very light. I thought this would be a little bit more stronger, more heavy. They look beautiful, although you see this is the real color. It looks as a stone. In my house of Argentina I have a stone wall similar, but the original stone. This is PVC something, PV something as this way. So, and one more thing that I am noticing now, I thought it has some stickers so I can put directly, but no, in this case I have to put some glue and put in the wall. So I'm not totally happy with this, but although looks good, price is little bit high. I have paid 82 euro for this. Should be little bit more better, much more better than this. So not bad. In this case I have so many in this, so I will show you how they may look in the wall. You can see, guys, more or less how they look. Not bad. Almost real. Not totally real, but almost. But not bad. Somehow I put here, so you have some idea. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.